Greetings, it's MaxoDiddly, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock teleport points for the boss towers without actually having to defeat the boss. So I haven't defeated the ice boss. However, I can just fly to the teleport point on my flying pal and hit F to unlock the fast travel. I haven't defeated the boss though. However, I'm still able to teleport to the boss tower, to the top of it. So let's also try it with the fire-based boss because I haven't beaten it yet. So what we need to do is we need to go to the teleport point near it and basically fly up. You don't need too much stamina to do this. I have 300 stamina and I basically used just around a third of it. So you should be able to do this with very little stamina investment. And as you can see, I unlocked it. So we're going to fast travel down, and then we're going to fast travel up just to prove that it works. So, yeah. Also, you might notice when you look at it on the map, it will say no data, because with bosses that you've beaten, it will basically say that you've defeated the boss, and it will have like a little picture of the boss character. Thanks for being a great audience, but sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more Palworld tutorials.